Hi everybody, Lady T here. I'm at the Cheesecake Factory here at 12 Oaks Mall. So we're going to go inside and have something to eat, and I'll show you how nice this restaurant is. As you guys can see, this is a really nice restaurant right here. I had dinner here with my family last night, as a matter of fact. I just want to show you all the decor and everything. This is like a 5-star restaurant here. It's always busy too. And look at the decorations on the ceiling. Really pretty in here. It's a huge restaurant. Let me show you some more of the decor here. Isn't that beautiful? It looks like peach. Looks like peach color. Really cool. With the lights. We'll go and see what the bar looks like really quick too. Okay, we're going to go into the bar part. As you can see, it's very, very busy. There's the kitchen. Look at the kitchen, y'all. The kitchen is actually really awesome back there. There's a design on the wall here. This place is really, really fancy. This restaurant is just magnificent. I'll show you guys the bar area. Some more designs up there. I gotta show you guys the whole restaurant before we sit down and eat. So there's the bar right here. We got a game on right here. That's all the liquors they got. Liquors and mixed drinks. They got beer on tap right here. Nice big bar. There's some hanging glasses over there. We got a table. I just had a videotape. This place is so pretty. Yeah. All the decor there. And we got a table, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so here's the menu right here. And I'll show you guys what they got. They got lots of cocktails here. All the specialty drinks. Purple tea, punch, Georgia peach, lemonade, sangria, spritzer, mai tais. They got a lot of martinis here. Look, all these martinis. Big cocktails menu. Cocktails. Bottled beers. We got Guinness, we got Corona, Heineken, Budweiser, Bud Light, Coors, Miller Lite. They got a big wine list here. It's all the red wines. It's all the white wines. You get it by bottle too, bottle or glass. Sparkling wine.
I cleaned it all up.
Got small plates and snacks. Got Greek salads, house salads, spicy Caesar, which I'm probably gonna get a salad. I was here last night, and I got dinner last night. I got the half-baked chicken with the mashed potatoes. Got appetizers here, pretzel bites. That sounds good. Roadside sliders. all the egg rolls there. It's actually 2 pages of appetizers.
How are you?
Oh, we got specialties here. Lunch specials. All the lunch specials there. We got all kinds of burgers here. And they do cater to gluten-free intolerance. So that's all the burgers there. Here's specialties. Thai coconut lime chicken, truffle honey chicken, parmesan. Actually, it looks really good. White chicken chili, chicken enchiladas, bajai chicken tacos, grilled steak tacos. We got some more stuff here. And I guess we're gonna order here in a few minutes. Okay, you guys, so this is what I got here. I got the bacon cheeseburger on a gluten-free bun. And we got some lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and onions. And we got some nice French fries here. Look at the presentation. It looks really nice, the presentation. I really like that. So I'm gonna dig in here. Getting ready to eat. Is it recording? Try these fries right here. Fries are really good. And we'll get ready to try this burger here in a minute and let you guys know how it is. Fries are delicious.
This one right here.
This burger is huge.
Oh, you don't know. I thought you said you don't know.
We've got some cheddar cheese on here too. They got some butter. There's some buttered bread here, and they put it on the grill like that. Woo! Look at that. It's really, really good. So I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay. Okay, well, my final thought is their food is really super delicious, and I ate here last night, like I was saying, and their food is top notch. It's so good, and I highly recommend it to go there if you guys haven't been there. It's a very well-known restaurant. I think it's nationwide too. Michigan actually has only one cheesecake factory. That's what they said here yesterday, as a matter of fact. So, but man, this place is so good, and I'm glad it's close to my home. So, okay, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy Saturday. Take care. Peace. Bye-bye.